Spanky.
The one time I'll bring my phone to class.
Hey.
Quickly.
Why are you on Discord? You should put this on like He's looking at his Discord kid.
No, it's working better. I'm gonna try that.
I'm gonna add some more Alka-Seltzer. See what happens.
I'm gonna try that.
Yo, he's looking at me.
I'm trying that today. I'm posting this on
Yo,
YouTube.
is that? Boy, I can't record phone out of the way. Oh my God, Jasper.
You didn't record it, man.
Bro's over here looking for his Discord. He should have taken. He should have found his Discord. Shh.
What are you doing?
He's gonna play 5 minutes.
This is a better view.
You go up close to it.
Get close.
That chicken. Oh no, it's
I hear
Back
it.
far down.
Okay, good. Shut them off.